day, but don't worry because there's going to be a little box up here that's going to show you those chords all over again. The A chord was that shape, D was that shape, and we've got E, which is that shape there. The reason we've got a capo on today is because the song that we're doing is actually in the key of C. We're going to be doing Hound Dog by Elvis. It's quite quick, so you can take this song as slow as you want, or if you're able to obviously change the chords quick enough, then play along to the song at the right speed. Okay, so it starts with an A, and then it goes to a D, and then to an A, and then it uses an E, so just, you ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Let's go to a D. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Back to an A. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit. Go to the E there. You ain't D. You ain't no friend of mine. Okay, and you got the next verse, which is similar. When they said, so there's a few words that come in before we have to play. So when they said you were high class, well that was just a lie. They said you were high class, they said it was a lie. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Okay, here we go again. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't got no hand, you ain't no friend of mine. They said you were high class, that was just a lie. Well, they said you were high class, that was just a lie. Few chords on their own. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll get another video up to you that you can play along to using the chords A, D, E. Okay, thank you.